What we're going to do today is do a test on this microphone. It's just arrived, so I'm going to unbox it. We'll have a look what's in the box. Then we're going to do a test against, say, either microphone on my MacBook Pro or the microphone on my Sony camera. See which is the best, see whether £11 gets you great sound quality or is a bit of a duffer. Right, let's get on with it. Right, here we go. This is the new microphone. Hopefully we can see that all there. Hopefully you can see it on both cameras. Trying to make it a bit more interesting by showing it on both cameras there. Right, let's get it opened. It's not a very big packet. This camera was about £11 from memory. That's all it was. It wasn't very expensive at all. Let's just get it open. Wow. It's a wired camera, so it should plug into my MacBook Pro with a connector. Looking at this, it should plug into my MacBook Pro with a connector. Just look how small it is. It's a wired camera. Very unusual name. Colix. 3.5mm camera. Sorry, 3.5mm microphone. If you notice there, it's got the actual extra, setting on there, so there's an extra cut on there and line for the power, so it's actually a microphone there. Hopefully you can see that just on there a second. If I just move that over there, let's just get it out there so you can see that there. Okay. So let's just have a quick look. This isn't going to be a very big unboxing video because look at the size of the box. Right, let's just get it open. There we go. All right, okay, so most important thing, you get a carry bag. I should have said a little carry bag to take everywhere. Probably because you probably lose it, to be honest. You probably just lose it, to be honest with you. It would just completely disappear. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Right, here we go. Well, that's it. That is literally it. That is just a microphone. Nice little foam top on there. And the 3-piece connector. That is literally all that is in the box there. Hopefully you can see that quite well there. And that's just a 3.5, what they call TRS plug, or it's a 3.5 plug anyway that's used. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect it to either my camera or either to my phone. In fact, I could probably just connect it straight into my camera now, and you can just actually have an idea. So this is the volume and the recording quality from my Sony camera, which is normally quite good. It wasn't an expensive camera. Probably it's a Sony EV10, £500 I think, without a lens of course. You don't get anything for nothing nowadays. So I'm just going to plug this into the camera and we're going to see if you can tell the difference in the quality. So I've just plugged it straight into the camera to see whether there's any difference in the sound quality. Hopefully you can actually tell. It means I don't have to do a separate video either. It's got a little clip on it. Oh, does it have a little clip on? No, it's got nothing at all. It has a little clip there, a little lapel clip to go on there as well. And now I'm just speaking to you on the actual on the actual camera plugged into my Sony camera. So this should be a completely different volume. Hopefully it's better volume and clearer volume. Or if not, I just need to go back to my Sony camera. I'll just actually take it out now so you can hear the difference. So I'm going to unplug it now. And what I've done now, we've actually just gone back to the volume on the Sony camera. So you'll be able to judge. I'll be able to judge in a minute when I download the videos. Well, I hope you've actually enjoyed both of the tests on the microphone, and we'll get back to it in a second. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.